Hello, I'm Rosalie.
I'm Clara.
And, well, this is kind of a different take. I'm making something educational about science. Alright, well, my assignment is to talk about the 6 kingdoms of life. The 6 kingdoms are plants, animals, protists, fungi, archaebacteria, and eubacteria. First, let's have a little talk about animals. Well, the scientific definition is any member of the kingdom Animalia comprising multicellular organisms that have a well-defined shape and usually limited growth, can move voluntarily, actively, acquire food and digest it internally, and have a sensory and nervous system that... Whoops, don't care. Well, our type of definition is different. We think of it as animals, which is kind of like the same word, but everybody knows what animals are. See, look, a beaver, a tiger, thing.
Yeah.
Some other commonly known animals are... So basically, animals are all heterotrophic, multicellular eukaryotes. And almost all animals are sexually reproductive. Yes, plants are everywhere, including on top of my head. Flowers and trees and leaves. Yeah, well, a plant is a plant, and they provide oxygen and pollen and food for a lot of things. And they bear fruit. Just like this one. It's a lemon. Ooh, lemon. Plants are all multicellular eukaryotes. And they're all autotrophs due to photosynthesis. And they feed nearly every single heterotroph. Some other good plant example, Clara, put the flashlight down. Clara, cut it out! Clara, put the flashlight down. No! No, you give me that flashlight right now. Here are some examples of what I call pretty plants. It's that time where we move on to fungi. Fungi are mostly multicellular eukaryotes with the exception of yeast, which is a unicellular eukaryote, meaning it's a single-celled organism. A lot of fungi feed on dead or decaying organisms. My favorite kind of fungi is mushrooms.
I like Goomba.
Sean, go away!
Cut out wielding the gun.
Yeah, we're trying to do a science project.
Okay.
Jeez.
Nice boxers, boy. Thanks.
Look! Fungi! Look! Famous fungi! Oh my gosh, it's Goomba! Moving on. Next, our next subject is protists. Yeah. Well, they can be either autotrophs or heterotrophs, meaning they can provide their own food or they get their food from other organisms. For real.
Really? Shut up.
They are all eukaryotes, although they can be multicellular and unicellular. But they are eukaryotes, meaning they contain nuclei in their cells, or cell. Protists! Archaebacteria were discovered in 1983. Archaebacteria means ancient bacteria. They can be autotrophic and heterotrophic. They are prokaryotes because they lack a nucleus. Some archaebacteria even live in your intestines!
Thank you for enjoying our very short film.
Just kidding, it was very long.
It's